See if there's any more down low.
No?
That'll work. Each vertebrae, if you grab the skin with your thumbs forward, just above it, and pull straight up, you'll crack each one individually. It's unbelievable. See if you can hear it. There's 1, 2. If you can't hear that,
Have it get closer with the camera.
It is just cracking. That was a loud one. Unbelievably awesome.
Bueno.
Oh my god.
Mucho te duele?
Poquito, ya se me está pasando.
Poquito. I don't think it's poquito. So I'm gonna go easy on her because. Good. Huh? Not as bad, huh?
And as we palpated, we noted here on her left upper cervical region. Very good. We got some restriction right in there. We'll get right in here. Good. Okay. Excellent. All right. We're going to have you relax right here. Get your legs into a more neutral position. Okay. We're going to palpate here through the upper back. Okay. We're going to get some general movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. Good. Right in here. Very good. So we're going to get in here and provide some movement. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. The other side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
Good. You okay, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Other side?
Okay, right here.
Good. Very nice. How was that?
Good.
Good.
So as you can see, your right side is a little tight.
Oh.
Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Good job, man. Perfect. Forward. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side.
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. All right, Am. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Good. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
3, 4, so we're going to adjust that manually. Adjust this side here.
Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's the ring dinger. And he's still kicking, alright. Now Chuck's had some issues with his eyes and his, oh yeah.
Did some chiropractic orthopedic exams. We found some issue in the spine here, so we're just providing some chiropractic manipulation there. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, very good. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Very good. Relax the body for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. I want you to lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight here for me. Excellent. Get right over here. Right in here. Take a deep breath.